Now we will do exercise 3.4. First is question number 1. State whether true or false. Some statements are given and you have to say whether these are true or false. Okay. This is a tricky question. It is little confusing also. So you have to figure out whether they are correct or wrong. Okay. The first statement is, it says all rectangles are square. You have to say whether this is correct or not. That means true or false. All rectangles, if it is a rectangle, so then it is a square. Rectangle says opposite sides are equal. Okay. And but for square, all sides are equal. So a rectangle cannot be a square. A rectangle cannot be a square. So this statement is false. Okay. Next, B, all rhombuses are parallelogram. Okay, you have to remember all the properties of these quadrilaterals. Okay, and you have to correlate. So this statement says all rhombuses are parallelogram. That means what are the properties of parallelogram? That opposite sides are equal and parallel. For rhombus also, this, if it is an rhombus, all sides are equal. So obviously opposite side will be equal and their diagonal bisect. Okay, so we can say that all rhombuses are parallelogram. This statement is true. Okay. Question number C. All squares are rhombuses and also rectangles. So you have to match the property of squares and rhombus. So all square means all sides are equal, and rhombus also all sides equal, that is matching. Next is that diagonals, they are perpendicular bisector to each other, and for rhombus also they are perpendicular, the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. So we can say square can be a rhombus. Okay, and all squares are also rectangle. And what is the property of rectangle? Opposite sides are equal. So square, this is having all sides equal, so obviously opposite side will be equal, and all angles are 90 degree, this square and for rectangle also, and diagonal bisect each other, that also applies for square and rectangle. So we can say square can be we can consider it as rhombus and rectangles. So it is, the statement is true. Okay. Next is all squares are not parallelogram. All squares are not parallelogram. Okay. Square, all sides are equal, opposite sides are equal, and parallel, this diagonal bisect each other. So for parallelogram also, this bisect each other. Okay, so all squares are parallelogram. All squares are parallelogram. Okay, so this statement, it is saying that are not parallelogram, but actually all squares are parallelogram. So this statement is false. Okay, next, this I have done 4 for you, and last 4, that is E, F, G, H will be your homework. Okay, Next is question number 2. Question number 2 says you have to identify all the quadrilaterals. You have to identify quadrilaterals that have four sides of equal length. Four sides of equal length. So which quadrilateral is having four sides equal? One is square, second one is rhombus. Okay. B, four right angles, means all angles are right angles. That is again square and rectangle. Next, question number 3. Explain how a square is a quadrilateral. Okay. You have to say how a square can be considered as a quadrilateral. What do you mean by a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral that has four sides. Okay. And a square also is having four sides. So all squares are quadrilateral. All square can be considered as quadrilateral. Okay. Next, a parallelogram. That means you have to justify how a square is a parallelogram. And parallelogram means opposite sides are equal and parallel, opposite angle are equal, diagonal bisect. Okay. Now a square also, these opposite sides are equal and parallel, their diagonals bisect, opposite angle obviously equal. So a square can be considered as a parallelogram. A square can be considered as a parallelogram. So 3, 4 will be your homework. Thank you.